thought you were strong.
Alright, welcome back. It's another full day of eating. So we're 9 weeks out. Basically, this is your go-to breakfast if you want to lose fat, if you want to stay healthy. Here's what we got here. So we got egg whites, eggs, Chobani Natural Light, spinach, and of course, sugar-free maple syrup. Alright, so in this whole meal here, it comes to a total of 324 calories. So we've got 42 grams of protein, 27 grams of carbs, and just 7 grams of fat. So I'll check back in on meal 2. Alright, so we've got meal 2 here. So I'm going to eat this and go to the gym. So what we've got here is some chicken, some Spud Light, and some low carb bread. Alright, so we're going to go 100 grams of Spud Light here. Spilled some. And then we'll go 115 grams of chicken. And then what we've got here as well, been using this stuff here. This low carb white bread, tastes fucking good and super low in carbs. It's got 2 slices, fucking ripped, but oh well. And we'll chuck this in as well. Also another thing, Peronaise. This stuff is the best. I'll just chuck it on my chicken here, we'll just go 15 grams. Alright, so here's the final result. So we just got some white bread, chicken, Spud Light, and then we'll throw a banana in there as well. This total comes to, let's see, 513 calories, 44 grams of protein, 68 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of fat. So I eat this and I'm gonna head to the gym. We've got legs today. So we just got back from the gym. We've got meal number 3 here. So this just consists of sweet potato, Spud Light, lean beef mince, and some broccoli. So the total calories for this is, I believe, so we've got 532 calories, 41 protein, 56 carbs, and 17 grams of fat. So I just hit a fucking crazy leg day. So I'll post some videos on my TikTok and stuff. That's the link for it there. But I'll put I'll put the link in the bio. And yeah, so I'll just get this down and then I'll show you my next meal. Alright, so we're back. So we've got meal number 4 here, which is just some yogurt, mango, dark chocolate and blueberries. If you can see it there. So this has got 379 calories, 30 grams of carbs, and 36 grams of protein and 12 grams of fat. So this is a good little meal, helps with digestion, and then yep, show you the next one. Alright, so we've got meal number 5 here now. So this is my burrito bowl. So this is just some corn, beans, lean beef mince, and some Spud Light. And then we've also got the salsa here. So this meal comes to a total of 606 calories, 48 grams of protein, 58 grams of carbs, and 23 grams of fat. So I'll smash this down and then I'll show you the last meal for the day. Alright, so I've got the last meal of the day here, so meal number 6. By far my favourite meal. So we've just got yogurt, chocolate, put in some frozen mangoes as well, and some protein powder. And so we're just doing 150 yogurt. Psych, actually 200. But yeah, I'll show you when it's done because it's a bit of a process. So we got 106 in here. Oh, perfect, look at that. Alright, and then now for the good stuff. And I've been using this stuff for my protein. It tastes like Reese Pieces, it's so good. So what I've been doing is just getting a scoop of this, chucking in like a little thing like that, and then there you got it. So we've got that all mixed up now. Let me just pour this bad boy on. Alright, so this is it here, the final product. We're looking at 527 calories, 50 grams of protein, 32 carbs, and 22 grams of fat. So that's it for the day, that's everything I eat. I like to have this before bed because it just sits well and gives me that good protein release over the night. But yeah, the total calories for the day is 2,869 calories. 260 grams of protein, 269 grams of carbs, and 91 grams of fat. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned.